Hi guys, welcome to Let's Gossip. Guys, yazin, I don't blame Uvuyokazi to choose peace. I really don't blame Uvuyokazi to choose peace. It's not nice to be disrespected by your boyfriend over and over and over and over again. You are busy fighting for something that ungayiboni. Yazi uyalwa ubhizi ulwela umuntu, a person who's not even fighting for you. Meeting, see, parents being called, mara there's nothing. Umuntu made up his mind ukuthi akakufuni. But now, if somebody angakufuni, it's better that the person should tell you that the relationship, it's no longer there. Ahambe, akushiye unjalo. It's gonna hurt you, but you will know and you will get used to it. But the worst part is when somebody now afila ukuthi akakufuni at all, akhuluma amanga. Athi yazi I don't think lo mfana lo umntwana lo webisithu umntwana me, I've got doubts manje ngifuna i-DNA test. Guys, do you know that is an insult? Yazi umuntu more especially if you know yourself that you were not cheating, yazi you were faithful to lo muntu lo, azothi wena ufuna i-DNA test. According to me, mina, it's an insult. A person, uyajola. A person is changing women in your eyes. Respecting. He just does whatever that he wants to do. A relationship, it's on the rocks because of whatever that he's doing. Umjolo wakhe, ukuchita kwakhe, ukuthanda abafazi kwakhe. The next thing he's gonna come around ayenze i-reverse psychology athi, I want DNA test because I don't think ukuthi lo mntwana. Guys, are you not gonna cut that person off? Are you not going to cut that person off totally? I don't blame Uvuyokazi. Uvuyokazi chose peace, guys. It was too much drama. It was too much drama. Yazi drama is so unnecessary. Yazi sometimes somebody can be dramatic and you can see ukuthi yazi lo muntu lona at least he's doing 1, 2, 3 for me. I will bekezela the drama. Manje cabang uhlele in a relationship, uhlalela umuntu, a person who doesn't have direction himself. He doesn't even know what's going on in his life. The only thing that he knows is ukuthanda abafazi. The next thing was ukuthuka athi ufuna i-DNA test. Yo guys, Uvuyokazi should just sit there nabantwana bakhe. Yazi choose peace, asihlalele. God should bless her, amnikeze whatever that she needs to take care of those kids. Because to be honest enough, umpumelelo guys, umpumelelo. Yo, yo guys, let's leave it there. Guys, thanks for subscribing and thanks for liking. Let's meet on the other video. Thank you. Bye.